Welcome! In this video, I'll be walking you through how to fill out and submit a fit and proper Category 1 application using the GMIS Customer Portal. Let's begin. Firstly, you'll need to log into the GMIS Customer Portal using either your Google or Microsoft account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard. From there, look for the section labeled Select an Action and click on Make an Application. You'll now be in the application area. Go ahead and scroll to the Due Diligence section. Here you'll select Fit and Proper, Category 1. Now, just to clarify, Fit and Proper Category 1 applies to individuals looking to apply for any of the following licenses: Bookmaker's Bet Writer, Off-Track Terminal Operator, Prescribed Premises Owner, Racing Promoter Terminal Operator, Gaming Premises Operator. Once that's understood, we can move on. Legal Entity section. This is where you'll enter your personal details. A legal entity refers to an individual, business, or organization that has legal responsibilities. In this section, you'll fill in your full name, contact phone number, email address, preferred contact method, and your mailing and physical addresses. As always, be sure to save your progress before continuing. There's also a handy Use My Information button. If you've submitted an application before, this will pull in your saved contact information automatically. Questions section. In this section, you'll be presented with a series of questions. Please read them carefully and answer each one honestly and accurately. Once done, hit Save, and then click on Next to proceed. Document Upload section. Under Attachment Types, you'll see a list of documents that you are required to upload. To upload a document, click on the plus icon under the Upload column. If you need to delete a document, select the checkbox beside it and then click the small Delete button. You also have the option to add a short description to each document you upload for better clarity. Once you've uploaded everything, don't forget to save the application and then click Next. Now you're at the Application Summary. This section shows a summary of everything you've submitted, including the fees associated with the application. Check the declaration box, then save your application again. At this point, you have two options. If you're not quite ready to pay, click Add to Payments and come back to it later. If you're ready to complete the process, click Pay and Submit. You'll now be redirected to the eGov Pay Gate. Enter your card details and select Make Payment. Post-payment and application review. Once the payment is successful, your application status will update to In Review. You'll then be able to see all your submitted details, your responses to the questions, the uploaded documents, and a full application summary, which you can download at any time. When your application is approved, you'll find it under Approved Items or Applications on your homepage. You'll also receive an email containing your license number, and your application status will change to active. At this point, you'll be able to download your approved certificate directly from the portal. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you need help at any point, feel free to reach out to our support team.